Well, hi, friends. It is Fantastic Friday, and I am here to show you our last lesson for the week for EL. We're not going to start a new lesson today. We're going to kind of finish up because we did close reads of our book, The Most Magnificent Thing, all week long. So today, your assignment is this that's showing on my computer right now, and I will post it in the Google Classroom, and you will see it in there on Friday. And so, what you're going to do, and I'm going to make it bigger right now, is you're going to, it's really big, isn't it? You are going to look back at some of the illustrations, and I will show you where some of the illustrations will be in our Google Classroom. If you haven't had a chance, I've posted some different illustrations in our Google Classroom all week, but I'm going to show you where they are in just a second. So what you're going to do for today is you're going to illustrate how the girl showed each habit of character from the book, The Most Magnificent Thing. This book right here. And so what you have is a chart, and what you can do is you can either print this chart out or you can just create this chart. You can draw it or have someone draw it for you so that you can illustrate in this little box here how the girl showed all the different habits of character. So for instance, for initiative, over here, you would draw some pictures, and yes, the box is a little small, so you'll have to draw some small pictures. If you want to draw your own boxes and make them bigger, then you can draw it on your own paper. How did she show initiative in the book? So you would draw some of the illustrations from the book of how she showed initiative. And then, how did she show collaboration? Draw some pictures. Who did she collaborate with in the book? And then, how did she show perseverance? She showed perseverance a lot of different times. Draw a couple of illustrations. How did she show illustrations in the book? And let me show you right now. I'm going to go to our Google Classroom, and I'm going to show you in our weekly assignments where some of those illustrations will be posted. Now, if this doesn't help you draw your own illustrations, you can go back and you can listen to the book again. I've read different parts of the book and I've showed you a few of the illustrations there, but hopefully this will help you. So if you go to NTI Week 9 reading assignments, right down there, there's the word illustration. It's right underneath our fluency poem. And you click on that, and then there's the slides. And I've put a bunch of the different illustrations from The Most Magnificent Thing on here. So let's let it load. So right now, the one on the top is where she explodes. What habit of character was she showing there? Was she showing any habits of character there? Probably not. And then here it shows when she came up with her idea and she was working hard at all of her ideas, and there's a bunch of different illustrations. I will put more illustrations on it today as well if you need something out and you're like, Miss Clark, I need to see this picture better. This is some more illustrations for all of our writing assignments. That's when she was planning what she was going to build. This is her working with her assistant on all her different things. So choose a couple of illustrations, or if you can remember, hey, she did this to show she was showing initiative. She did this to show she was persevering. She did this to collaborate with someone. Draw pictures showing each of the habits of character. That is your assignment today for EL. I will post some more of the illustrations on here. If you need anything or if you need help, we do meet today. Remember, we do meet today on Friday. So I will see you. We don't have our reading group lessons today. We have follow up for EL and to review about our book, The Most Magnificent Thing. Thank you again for working so hard, and I will see you shortly during our group. Bye, my friends.